If your Bali land purchase agreement skips key clauses, you're risking 500 million rupiah in hidden fees. And here's what to include legally. Here's the problem. Most foreigners sign without these clauses and lose their deposit. 1. Always include freehold versus leasehold status in writing within 48 hours of offer. 2. Require a title search showing 0 liens or disputes before your down payment moves. A real scenario. You're a US founder buying residential land in Ubud for 2 billion rupiah. The seller says everything's clean. You sign a basic agreement. 2 weeks later, the seller's ex-spouse claims ownership. Your 400 million rupiah deposit vanishes. The local notary tells you the agreement was missing spousal consent clauses. This is exactly why TheBaliLawyer built their property law service, to lock down every legal requirement before your money moves. Most people fail here. They sign a one-page agreement from the seller's agent. Do not do this. That document doesn't name the actual property owner, doesn't verify inheritance rights, and doesn't clarify whether the land is customary or state-owned. TheBaliLawyer checks all 3 in the first consultation call. Step 2. TheBaliLawyer pulls the title deed from the Land Registry and runs a lien search. This takes 3 to 5 business days and costs 5 million rupiah. If liens exist, you know instantly before committing. If clean, you move forward. Most lawyers skip this. Don't. Step 3. Require written spousal and heir consent in the agreement itself. This is important because Indonesian law presumes married land is community property. TheBaliLawyer inserts a sworn statement from the owner and spouse confirming no other claims. Without this, the deal collapses post-closing, and your 800 million rupiah is frozen in dispute for 2 years. Here's the problem side by side. The DIY path signs a vague agreement and loses money in month 3 when a hidden heir claims title. The protected path locks down 7 specific clauses, runs due diligence in week 1, and closes with 0 disputes 6 months later. TheBaliLawyer does the protected path for you. If you're doing this yourself, copy this language into your agreement. The seller warrants in writing that 1. The land is free of liens and disputes. 2. The seller and spouse, if any, consent to the sale. 3. All heirs have released claims. 4. The land is legally transferable to a foreigner. And 5. Property tax and land rent are paid to date. Breach of any warranty voids the sale and triggers full refund within 7 days. Then have a Bali notary witness the signature. Seller name. Certify that this land at property address is owned solely by me. My spouse consents. All heirs released claims. No liens exist, and the deed is transferable to a foreigner. Include freehold status and title verification in writing. Run heir and spousal consent checks before deposit. TheBaliLawyer handles all 7 clauses legally in 3 days. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com to book your free property due diligence consultation. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.